to create your own playlist is find the video that you would like to put onto your playlist. So you can go to, say you want to go to The Studio by Jamie Kinkeade, and there it is, it pops up. You will find our YouTube channel right here. And once you come here, you are going to put videos, click videos. You're going to see all of our latest, oldest, most popular. If you have a certain video that you want, you can just search for it by using the search button. And then let's say you want this video right here. You're going to click these three dots and you're going to put save to playlist. Then this will come up. It'll ask what playlist you'd like to save it to. You're going to click new playlist. You're going to choose a title. You can put New Year Challenge. You can set it to private or anything you want. Then you create your playlist. And then over here on the side, you're going to go to your playlists. And you should see your New Year Challenge playlist right there. And you just click play all. And all of your songs will show up right here. And you are set to go. So you just find your songs that you want, add them to your playlist, and you are ready to go.